Alright, hello guys. So today I'm gonna make a spicy sausage stew. So first you gotta put 100 grams of the mushrooms. So that's 100 grams. So just put it on one side. You're gonna make it pretty, so just put it in the top. Since we're gonna put lots of stuff in there. So onions, also 100 grams. If you like more onions and other stuff, you can always put more, but I like to make it even, so 100 mushrooms and 100 onions and 100 grams of tofu. Yes, I love tofu. Lots of proteins, so it's good for your health too. I have to make it pretty though. So now it's time for the ham spam. So 150 grams of spams because I love hams, so I just put more hams than other stuff. 150 grams. Yes. Alright, now sausage. 100 grams of sausages. Looks so pretty. Look at that. 100 grams of sausages on the top right there. Now 50 grams of bacons. Some people don't put bacons, but I love bacons and they give lots of good flavor, so I put in the center. Now green onions on the top. Just make it pretty. You don't have to put it, but you know, I want some green stuff, so I just put it there. Now 150 of the kimchi. Yes, kimchi is always good, so 150 grams of the kimchi on the right side. Looks so good. Look at the perfect match. It's like red, white, and green. Looks so good. And 500 milliliters of the kimchi broth. Yeah, so that's about 500 grams milliliters. So if you buy the kimchi, they always have a kimchi broth on the bottom, so you can use it, or yeah, I think you gotta use that. And 700 grams of water plus red pepper paste. We call it gochujang. That's Korean traditional sauce. Now cheese, but I actually prefer to put the cheese after the cook, because it's gonna melt and it's gonna be gone, so yeah. Now it's time for the cook. So you cook about 10 minutes. Look at that. So pretty, huh? So that's after about 10 minutes. Looks so good. Some people eat with the rice, and some people just put the ramen there. So you can also put the noodle there, and it's so good. It's spicy. Have a pork. Have a ham, sausage. It's perfect. Anything. If you want to put anything like tofu, dumplings, other like noodle stuff, you can just put it there. So it's time for the eat. Okay, tastes so good. I wear the green because it's the Christmas is coming, so just be ready for that. Sausage time. Oh, so good. Tofu. Yes, I thought I dropped one, but no, I didn't drop one. I'm really good at spooning, so no worries. Tofu. Now ham. Oh, was so good. Okay, so that's it for today. It was so good. Alright, thanks for watching me, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe. So see you next time.